Anyone guilty of buying too many eyeshadow palettes and yet not using them? Hi sisters, I'm Jara. How to use those weird colors in the palette. Let me show you. This is by ColourPop, and ta-da! What kind of weird color combis are this? But today I'm feeling in a fancy mood and I'm going to try putting some of these colors onto my eye. First primer, got my brows done, and I'm so excited because I haven't used colored shadows for quite a while now until this COVID virus thing, and I'm taking out all my makeup to play on my own face. My money is worth it. Let's do this purple. I love this pink. Watch me spam. Wow, metallic. I love it. Alright, be really careful when you spam because as I was spamming the eyeshadow under my lids, the powder got into my eyes. So now I put some eye drops, but oh well. Mix up. Miss Crazy Pink. Wow. I know a lot of you will find that pink makes your eyes look swollen, but it depends on how you mix the colors and where you blend it. Also plays a very important part in making sure these colors work for you. I don't feel like there is a right color for makeup because really there are colors available and there are thousands of shades in different tones. I'm sure there will be a color that suits you, and there's always a way because you can mix your colors. No one says you can't. Even if it doesn't suit you, make it work. Not bad. Pink and purple always goes. I want to add more pink here on the lower eyelid area. I don't want it to feel left out. Some little shimmer on the inner part of my eye. Ooh, so pretty! It's moonshine. Wow. Little weird areas that's coming out the boundary. So you get a little bit of shine. I decided I'm going for a sweet look, so I'm keeping my eyeliner subtle. Lining very tightly close to my lash line. A little bit of downward flick because it makes my eyes look a little bit more innocent. It's time to curl my lashes.